Hey, this is Bradley with Semantic Mastery, and in this video, we're just going to talk briefly about the basic IFTTT syndication network. This is the following training is going to be covering how to set up a basic IFTTT syndication network using if this then that. Okay, so IFTTT is a great application. It's free to use, and it basically can create actions based on triggers that we get to set up. All right, so you create a free account, you go in and you activate channels, and there is a huge list of Web 2.0 and social media type properties, as well as other applications that are part of IFTTT that can be activated as channels. And what we do is go in and activate channels that we're going to use to syndicate content to. And then we set up what's called recipes. And recipes consist of a trigger. So if something happens, then, and that's what IFTTT stands for, is if this, then that. So if, for example, if you were to post a video or upload a video to your YouTube channel, you can have that YouTube channel act as the trigger, so that if you upload a video to YouTube, then you can syndicate it out to or repost it to several different Web 2.0 and social media type properties. And that's what all these circles here represent, is Web 2.0 channels. Okay, so this also works equally as well for blogs. If as long as a blog has an RSS feed, you can, or anything that has an RSS feed for that matter, you can syndicate using if this then that. So you, in other words, if you were to post a post on your main blog, which can be your WordPress site or any type of blog platform or website that has an RSS feed, then you can repost it or syndicate it out to any of the Web 2.0 channels. And I didn't actually put icons in here because these change every so often, and I didn't want to have to come back in and update this graphic. But there's a long list of sites that we use, and currently with the basic IFTTT syndication network, we're using about 15 different properties, and that goes up and down. It fluctuates, but it's on average about 15 properties that we consistently use, which includes things like Blogger, Tumblr, WordPress, Delicious, Diigo. There's just a long list of sites that we use. Now we even use Google Drive, OneNote, App.net, Twitter. So it can be used with Facebook as well. So there's a lot of different properties that we can use. So I just wanted to give a brief overview as to what the basic IFTTT syndication network is. And the following videos, we're going to walk through how to create, how to get set up to do this, how to create the accounts, create a persona from scratch to use for the accounts or for the network itself, and then set up every single one of the accounts and the IFTTT application, connect everything together, and then create all the recipes so that we can start auto posting or auto syndicating our content, whether that's from a blog or from a YouTube channel. It's very effective, and in the following videos we're going to cover all of that. So once again, this is Bradley Benner with Semantic Mastery.